Good afternoon, friends. This is the part that I purchased when we were in Hermanus. You remember my last video? So this is a pump for a Samsung drain system. So the old one packed up. I've measured it. It is open circuit totally. I'll show you the position now. So this one measure correctly, and it sits on its back now, and the pump is just there. I've already loosened it up, and I can just lift it up now. It's only 3 screws. There's the drain hole, and it got the O-ring. So this is the bad one, and this is the original Samsung, and this one is a replacement generic part. So let's clean up that surfaces, and then I'm going to put it back and screw it, fasten, and put the 2 wires back there, and then we can put some water in and test it. And I just want to mention, I checked on my videos lately, it seems as if my camera packed up. It looked like thunderstorms, lightning. So something is wrong with my camera. And at the end of my previous video, it seems that the colors start to change in all directions. So I'll check this video out now. If it continue, I have to make a plan. I've got a backup camera, but it's on an iPad. So let's continue. Okay guys, the pump is installed. Let's put it upright, and then I will put water in and see if it will drain. Okay guys, so it's upright, and I put some water in for us. So I'll bring you back. Okay guys, I have a new setup. The water must be coupled to the machine, otherwise it just drains out. So it needs to be there. And now we can switch it on. Just want to close here. And this broke off. I need to repair it. We can put the power on. And then we can say, I think, let's do a small wash. Let's rinse. Then it will take water, I think. Let's see. No. Okay, I'll stop it. Okay guys, I will have to do a small wash. So let's make it extra small, and then wash for 2 minutes, and cold water. And okay, let's see what happened now. Not fuzzy. Quick. It must take water now. Ooh, I've got a leak. I've got a leak there, but it takes water. It blows out there, and then this valve open, and it stopped. But it's now in process, so I will stand at the tap, and once I see the water blow out at the back again, I will close it, and it will go on. I'll bring you back. Okay guys, I start over because I stand here and I realize all the water drain out again from the pipe, and I remember this outlet must be higher than this level. So I'm starting over now. You take water. Okay guys, it washed now. And it drained, my friends. Let me just come closer. That is the whole test. It will now take new water, rinse water. So I think I'm going to let it drain out, and then this was a success. I'm just going to repair the cable because that is also bad, you can see there, and then the machine is fine. Okay, my friends, hope you like this video of this repair. See you on the next one. Bye bye. Okay guys, and we have 0 leaks there, so that is all fine.